Hello there. In this video, we'll delve into the process of seamlessly creating DLMS tags and visualizing them in real time. Once the connection setup and device configuration are complete, let's move forward by seamlessly integrating DLMS meter tags into our data model. We can achieve this effortlessly through the intuitive drag and drop mechanism, which automatically populates the tag settings for us. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, manual configuration is also available. For detailed guidance on manual setup, don't hesitate to consult our knowledge base. To integrate DLMS meter tags into our data model, I'll start by opening the browser within the DLMS client module instance. After selecting the channel device from the drop-down menu, I'll click on Rebrowse to view the available COSM objects inside the DLMS meter. From there, I'll navigate through the list to locate the register folder and find the L1 voltage instantaneous value total tag. Once found, I'll simply drag it to the model section and drop it into the desired folder, such as the root folder. Next, I'll move to the data folder, locate the electricity ID 1 tag, and repeat the same process. Afterward, I'll head over to the Data section and access the Real-Time tab. Here I can confirm that the tags for L1 voltage instantaneous value total and electricity ID 1 from the DLMS meter are displayed correctly as expected. Alright, let's dive in and set up some tags manually, starting from scratch. First, let's delete the existing tags previously created with the drag and drop method. To set up the L1 voltage instantaneous value total tag, navigate to the tag section, click the ellipsis button in the model section, and choose New Tag. Name the tag Voltage Instantaneous Value Total and set its type property to number. In the source configuration, enable the source and select DLMS client as the module type from the drop-down menu. Ensure the module name is also set to DLMS client as previously named. Then, in the COSM object section, click the COSM Object Tag Browser button and select the L1 Voltage Instantaneous Value Total tag under the Register folder. The device and logical name properties will be automatically populated. Alternatively, you can input these properties manually. The device property specifies the channel device configuration of the DLMS client connection, while the logical name refers to the OBIS, Object Identification System code, representing the address of the object within the DLMS meter. Now follow the same procedure, but this time with the electricity ID 1 tag located within the data folder. After configuring the tags, let's head to the Real-Time section in the Data tab, and you'll see the tags displaying their real-time values. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next video.